So in case that your cable for your 70 mAh camera doesn't work anymore, you will need to just buy a new cable. So this is the cable of the camera, the standard one. It has USB-A connector and the micro USB connector. This goes to into the camera and this into the lighter, and it's 3 meters long. So it's not working in my case anymore, and I got this one branded Baseus, 3 meters long, and it has the same connectors, USB-A and micro USB, and it's 3 meters long as well. The only difference is that it's braided. Probably it will last longer. This is a high quality cable. It wasn't that expensive, just $4 or $5, so it's pretty cheap. And yeah, just replace the cable and it will work. If for some reason you're just setting the cable directly from the windshield to the lighter, even a 1 meter cable will be enough. But if you want to do some cable management, you'll need the similar cable with just 3 meters. Alright, so I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.